Market participants' mood is again shaped by the news on coronavirus, whereas economic data is somewhat ignored. On Friday, investors have already started expressing their concerns about the future of both China's and the US economies. This resulted in the US dollar sell-off. Thus, the euro-dollar pair showed acceleration after quite long stagnation. At first, the pair moved back to the level of 1.1080 that it had reached earlier. However, today investors have resumed buying safe haven assets, including the US dollar. It's possible that the pair can test the support level at 1.1055. Then the quote is likely to slow down and enter the stagnation phase. The eurozone final manufacturing PMI data turned out to be extremely strong. Thus, the indicator advanced to 47.9 points from 46.3. The forecast was 47.8 points. The indicator has been below the 50-point threshold for 20 months already. However, the current figure is the highest in the last 9 months. In the UK, the situation is even better. The UK's manufacturing PMI rose to 50.0 points, a threshold that separates expansion from contraction. Economists had expected it advance to 49.8. At the same time, both the euro and the pound sterling are losing ground. The pound-dollar pair has been showing a high activity for 3 days already. Besides, the speculative interest is healthy and volatility is hitting new records. Thus, during a short period of time, the quote managed to reach the level of 1.3200. After that, it started dropping to 1.3050. Analysts suppose that the pound-dollar pair can find a support level near 1.3035, 1.3055 and reverse the trend. Investors from all over the world are closing their positions and invest money in safer assets. As a rule, investors choose the United States. Thus, the US dollar is likely to rise amid high demand. It's quite possible that market participants will hardly pay attention to the US manufacturing PMI figures that are expected to decline. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest news. See you soon.